In this video, we will try to modify a Traeger Pro Series 22 wood pellet grill by removing the gasket for the smokestack or flue pipe. In this view, you may be able to notice some of the material on the edge of the gasket. We will begin work to detach the smokestack from the grill with a 7/16 socket and a 7/16 wrench. In our previous video, we assembled the Traeger Pro 22 with a flue pipe gasket. The flue pipe gasket is installed between the grill assembly and the smokestack, which is also known as the flue pipe assembly. The reason why I am choosing to modify the grill by removing this is because the gasket looks as though it is made of fiberglass material. Here is a close-up view of the gasket. Although this gasket material has not been confirmed with Traeger, it looks very similar to fiberglass. I'm not an engineer, but here are my guesses why the flue pipe gasket is installed on this grill. The gasket insulates some of the heat from the grill to the smokestack. So although the smokestack will get hot, it will be a little lower temperature than without it. My next guess would be that the gasket seals smoke from escaping between the grill and the smokestack. My last guess would be that the gasket helps delay some of the corrosion between the surfaces of the grill and the smokestack. All that being said, I'm still willing to compromise these reasons if it means less of a chance that the gasket material will be coming loose inside the grill. This means doing this mod will compromise how this grill was designed to work. The compromise is that the grill will not perform exactly as designed, but there may be less of a chance of the material coming loose inside the grill. While the gasket was off, I did want to take a few rough measurements. The external or largest diameter is 140 millimeters. The internal diameter would be open to the smokestack. The internal diameter is 90 millimeters. The gasket ring would represent the area of the gasket that covers between the grill and the flange of the smokestack. The width of the gasket ring is about 25 millimeters. The diameter of the hole for the fasteners is about 8 millimeters. Now we will rip apart the gasket to give another view of some of the material. Here is another tear. Now we will begin work to attach the smokestack and chimney cap to the grill. This is the view from the outside of the grill frame assembly where the smokestack will be attached. This shows the hardware assembly that will attach the smokestack to the grill. The bolt was inserted into the hole. This view shows the inside of the grill while the threads from the bolt pass through. A washer and fastener were then installed over the threads. This process was repeated for the second fastener. Both of the thin wrenches included can be used to tighten the fasteners down. For this video, I am using a 7/16 socket and 7/16 wrench. With the smokestack reinstalled, please keep these compromises in mind. This video is just to share the mod that was done on this grill. Doing this mod may compromise grill performance and likely void the warranty for this grill. The mod may also compromise safety with the temperature of the smokestack. That being said, please be responsible and safe for any mods that you will make with your grill. Thank you for watching.